don't want to do this.
Oh, it'll be easy. Just act all slinky and goo-goo-eyed and womany.
Yeah, show me how you're gonna do it.
Dream on.
Just get in, snoop around, and if you see a cat, take a picture.
This is totally...
Too late!
Yes?
My car broke down, and, I was just wondering if I could use your phone in there to, call my boss back at the modeling agency and, bikini car wash.
Who buzzed you in? Because if you weren't buzzed in by a registered tenant, you'll have to leave.
Wow. He is more persnickety than I thought.
Does persnickety mean gay?
Okay. He's